Task 11, challenge number 7, Wi-Fi, who's in Wareville? All right, so I presume here we see Wi-Fi woes in Wareville, the TBFC, the TBF Wi-Fi woes in Wareville. The TBFC drones are looping endlessly over Wareville Square. Someone logged into the company router using default credentials. Securing Wi-Fi is critical. Default passwords are like leaving the front gate wide open. Objective: log into the router and secure it with a strong new password. Log in with user admin. Go to settings. Let's go over there. Actually, you can see at the top, this is a good one. This is a good one to know. So when you have internet at home, you will also, from your internet service provider, you will get a router. This IP is actually your default, usually your default router IP. Here you can do, you can basically change your default credentials and you set up your networks like 2.4G network, 5G network, and do some advanced stuff there. But also it can be 192.168.101 for your router. All right, let's see. Let's place a strong password. Let's see, do I still need... Oh, we cannot see that. So I will say 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go over here. And then use this and this, save, and there you go. We'll copy this. So basically we logged in, let's close these and this. We logged in the router's IP interface just to change the default credentials. Awesome.